Hello friends. Today, we're solving a classic grammar mystery. The case of the passive voice. Who did it? We don't always know, and that's the whole point. Let's crack the case in just 3 minutes. What is the passive voice? First, let's understand the basics. In active voice, the subject does the action. The chef cooked the meal. In passive voice, the action happens to the subject. The meal was cooked by the chef. The focus shifts from who did it to what happened. Think of it like a crime scene. Active, the thief stole the cookies. Passive, the cookies were stolen. By who? How to form the passive voice. Object plus be, in the correct tense, plus past participle plus, by who, if needed. Let's break it down. Present simple. Active, she writes the letter. Passive, the letter is written by her. Past simple. Active, he fixed the car. Passive, the car was fixed by him. Future simple. Active, they will build a house. Passive, a house will be built by them. Present perfect. Active, she has cleaned the room. Passive, the room has been cleaned by her. In passive, we focus on what happened, not always who did it. When do we use the passive voice? The passive voice is super useful when the doer is unknown. My bike was stolen. We don't know who did it. The doer is obvious. The thief was arrested, of course, by the police. The action is more important than the doer. The project was completed on time. All right, detectives, it's time to solve the mystery. Change these active sentences to passive. The teacher corrected the homework. The homework was corrected by the teacher. Someone broke the window. The window was broken. Mystery. They will announce the results tomorrow. The results will be announced tomorrow. Well done, detective. Case closed. And that's how you master the passive voice. If you practice it, it will be learned, I promise. If you liked this lesson, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What passive sentences can you create? I want to read them. See you next time.